Okay, so hi girls and welcome back to a new video. I hope you are doing great and everything is fine so far. So today, as requested and as I was planning, I'm sharing with you the review of my Mulberry bayswater bag, and this is one of my favorite bags and the one I wanted to buy for a very long time. So I'm gonna talk to you about the wear and tear, how much it fits, and how much I bought it, from where, and where you can get discount as well. And also if I would advise you or recommend you buying this bag. So to start with, this was one of my wish list bags. I think it was the first one I wanted to buy for a very long time, maybe over 3 years. But you know, with designer bags, you keep thinking over and over again, is it right to spend this amount of money on bags? But I finally one day made the step and I bought it, and I don't regret it at all. This is one of my best purchases and one of my favorite bags, as I said. So the story with the color. This was not the color I wanted to buy, but I think it was in 2016, they had released one new color. It's called Racing Green, and it's a very dark and elegant green. I'll try and put the picture in the video if I find it somewhere. But the color is so amazing. It goes with anything you wear, but you know, it's that dark, classy, luxurious green. It's very nice. I loved it, but unfortunately I didn't find it anywhere. I went to Mulberry store in London. They didn't have it, and I went to Mulberry store in a luxury outlet in London, UK as well. It's called Bicester Village. I'll put the link in the description box, and they had a Mulberry store there. So when I went there, I asked about the Racing Green, and they didn't have it, but they had it at the factory. And the problem, if they bring it, it will take around maybe 2 days, and I didn't have that time because I was leaving just the next day. So I found this one and I liked it. You know what I like the most? The gray color, but mostly the silver hardware, because in Mulberry they don't do much of a silver hardware. They do mostly the gold hardware, and I don't really like it, but sometimes I have no choice with it. So I bought this one, and they had a different bayswater which doesn't have this flap at the top, and it had the green color, but I love this one. I really wanted this one, and I saw so many people wearing this bayswater. And Mulberry in general, it's very famous in UK, maybe a little in Europe, but it's not widely known or used in many other countries. I don't know why, but you know, for the quality of leather and the price, it's worth, you know, being more famous, and more people should buy from it. Anyway, so like I said, I love the silver hardware, because till now, I mean, like, there are slight scratches, but it's not like, you know, very obvious, and it's wearing better than the gold hardware, because I had bad experience with the gold hardware where the colors change and it fades, and then there are a lot of scratches around. But this silver one, it's amazing. So when we open the bag, this is what you find, and then this is how it is from inside. It's like suede, I don't know how to say it, black, and you have a pocket over here, and you have 2 small pockets over here. Here you'll find these straps which you can adjust with, or makes the bag smaller or bigger. And this is a very good plus in the bag, because see, you can make it smaller but still fits a lot of things, and you can carry it on your shoulder or in your hand like this, and it doesn't look big, it looks medium size. Or you can open these straps and then it becomes huge. I do this when I travel usually, because I overpack pack my bags. You would have noticed it from my previous videos. And look at this, how big is this? It's like a perfect travel bag, and then I would put it on top of my trolley, and then it fits, it fits everything I need. So this is about the bag. For me, the tear and wear, it's perfect. I bought this in 2018, so it's been nearly 2 years now, and I think it's wearing very nicely and it looks nice. I mean, like, there are not a lot of wrinkles other than the normal leather wrinkles. There is no signs that it's scratched. There is no marks anywhere. I mean, I can't see any obvious things. The leather, it's still as stunning as the day one when I bought it, and I love how it looks. This is what I use most when I travel, and usually before this pandemic I would travel monthly and I would carry it. So for the price, because I bought this from an outlet, it was 875 pounds. This was discounted because it's cheaper in the outlets. In the store, I think it is like 1,000 plus, but during sale, when they have 50%, they will have it for the same price as this. So now they have a Mulberry store online where you can buy and ship to your place. I bought my wallet that way, and they shipped it to Doha, Qatar. One good thing now, I think they started it recently, the factory, they have an online store which you can buy from at a discounted price. And they ship it online as well. They ship it to your place, which is fantastic. You can still buy a Mulberry bag. They have bayswater with different colors, and then with a very discount price. I think it's this one in the Mulberry Factory. It's around 670 pounds, which is amazing. If I can buy it now, I wouldn't hesitate, but I can't splurge now because I don't know what's for tomorrow. Anyway, I will put the link in the description box for the link of the Mulberry Factory. This is really nice. If I can, I wouldn't hesitate. So they have there the clearance for some bags. Of course, you will not find all the bags you want, but they have a good selection of nice bags, also shoes, clothing, and everything you need from Mulberry. So what else? What did I forget? So if I have to buy this again, I wouldn't hesitate, but I would look for the green one because the green is very nice. They also have a black in silver hardware. I wouldn't also hesitate to buy it, but I would not go for a gold hardware again. So for Mulberry, I have this bayswater, and I have the Seaton, which I made a video previously, and I had an Amberley. So I'll make the video about the Amberley a little later. So I'll tell you what I like, what I don't like about it. For this one, I like everything about it, honestly. I can't see any bad thing because, you know, it fits a lot, and then it gets smaller if you want it to be smaller, and it goes with everything you wear. It's a very nice, classy design, and it's very unique. I just love the Mulberry. I hope this video was helpful to you in a way or the other. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.